Hello students, I am Dr. Tanesh Kumar. So I am going to teach you system of linear equations and inequalities in applied mathematics chapter 1. See the title of the chapter, system of linear equations and inequalities. Linear means degree 1. The equations whose degree is 1, then that type of equations are called linear equations. So linear means always degree should be 1. Always degree should be 1. Like for example, 3x plus 5 equal to 0. This is one equation with one variable. The variable is x whose degree is 1. So this is one linear equation. Now here we are going to study linear equations in two variables. In our topics we are going to study linear equations in two variables. So first, what is linear equation in one variable? Linear equation in one variable means the equation having only one variable with a degree 1, like this. 3x plus 5 is equal to 8. You can use any variable, not only x. From the alphabets A to Z, you can use any letter like 3p plus 5 is equal to 8. This is also one linear equation with one variable whose degree is 1. Okay, so this is another example. 2y minus 10. 2y minus 10 equal to 14. Here the variable is y whose degree is 1. So this is linear equation in one variable. Now linear equations in two variables. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is one equation. And 10x minus 8y equal to 20. This is another equation. So there are two examples here. One is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Here we are using two variables, this is x and y, whose degree is 1. And second example, 10x minus 8y, whose degree also 1. So these are all linear equations in two variables. So linear equation one variable means we are using only one variable with degree 1. Two variables means using two variables with degree 1. Okay, hope you understand. Now system. What is a system? System of linear equations. System means a group of two or more. A group of two or more. That means minimum two equations or more than two equations. A group of two or more linear equations together is called a system of linear equations. So this is one example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. 6x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is one group. This is one system. So like this we can write so many examples. So system of linear equations means minimum a group of two equations or more equations is called system of linear equations. Now how to find the solution for this system of linear equations? There are different methods. Before that, one basic simple example you can see here. I have one system of equations, 3x plus y equal to 0, x plus 2y is equal to minus 5. So I have group a system of equations. For this system, now we have to verify this point 1 comma minus 3 is the solution or not. We have to verify. Okay, how to verify? See here, the given point is 1 3, so the first point is x and second point is y, because the given equation in two variables x and y, so this is x variable and this is y variable points. Okay, now first take the first equation, 3x plus y equal to 0. Now in this equation use x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 3. In place of x use 1 plus in place of y use minus 3. Now 3 multiply 1 3 plus into minus 3 is minus 3. So 3 minus 3 0. So 0 is equal to 0. This is true. Yes, this is true. Like this. Go for second equation. X plus 2y is equal to minus 5. Again in place of x use 1 plus 2 into in place of y use minus 3 is equal to minus 5. 1 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So minus 5 is equal to minus 5. This is also true. So for both the equations are true using this point, x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 3. Both equations are true. So my conclusion, the point 1 minus 3 is the solution for the given system, of equations. So we are verifying this point is solution or not. So like this, first equation wherever x and y use 1 and minus 3, and second equation in place of x 1, y place minus 3. Check both equations true or false. So both equations are true, therefore 1 minus 3 is the solution. 1 minus 3 is the solution. See, one more example. See, determine means verify or check. The order pair minus 2 minus 1 is the solution of the system of equations. Okay, so the given equation in two variables x and y, so the given point here, this is x and this is y. Similarly, write for the first equation, x minus y is equal to minus 1. Now in place of x use minus 2, minus in place of y use minus 1. When there is a negative sign, we should be very careful. Okay, minus 2, now negative into negative 1, that is positive 1. So negative 2 plus 1 gives you negative 1. So negative 1 is equal to negative 1. So this is true. Okay, now similarly check the second equation, 2x minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Again in place of x use minus 2, minus in place of y use minus 1 equal to minus 5. So 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, minus into minus 1, that is plus 1. So minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to minus 5 is true? No, this is false. This is false. See, one equation is true, another equation is false. Okay, so this condition is not true, right? Minus 3 is not equal to minus 5. Okay, so this is false. So what is our conclusion? Minus 2 minus 1 is not a solution. Is not a solution. Okay, so like this we can verify for the given system the given point is solution or not a solution. Solution means both equations should be true. If one equation is true, another equation false, then it is not a solution. And if both equations are also false, then it is not a solution. Solution only when both equations are true. When both equations are true, then only it is a solution. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, thank you.